Well, I hope all of you able to hear me also, right? Okay. So I just want to give a small introduction about myself before starting off this demo session. Like, so my name is Ram Boyapati. I have around 13 years of IT experience in these technologies like SQL Server, MSP Stack, Power BI, Data Analyst, and Azure Data Engineering. So these are all the technologies what I've been working since from 13 years, and I have 7 years of IT trainings and placement experience. I started this eClasses.com. eClasses is our website. We started in 2016. I'm the managing director and trainer for this eClasses on these different technologies what we are offering in online and offline. In the both we are going to offer this one. So currently our office is located in Amirpet, Hyderabad. We are offering online classes and offline class as well. You can able to see our office premises also. Simply you can goes to our website. There you can see this is our office premises. So you guys can visit and directly you can meet me and we can discuss about your profile or any kind of career counseling and all those things. Okay, so you can reach out any time in our office. I will be available daily in our office only. Okay, so in this 7 years of IT trainings experience, what the experience whatever I have gained, I have identified like there are different kind of category of the students are there. So the people like who are going to learn from our e classes, we are offering for them LMS portal as well. So through this LMS portal, so this is our LMS portal. So inside this LMS portal, you can able to find out multiple courses over here and different kind of courses available. And you can able to attend daily live sessions, daily class recording videos once the class completed. We are providing the daily class recording and daily class notes also we are going to offer. You can able to write some tests as well, and also we have a 24 by 7 chart option also available, so you can able to communicate with through the charts. So through these charts you can able to communicate with our students, with our trainers as well. See here we have a chart as well, so the students when they are going to practice, so if they have any doubts they are going to ping in this chart group as well. Okay, so the chart option also we are providing for the students, and also we are providing some sample resumes and certification guidance as well. Everything we are going to offer from our LMS portal. It's a one place to get many things. And also we have a mobile app as well. So you can access all these services through a web and through mobile app also. Okay? All right. So now in this 7 years of experience with the trainings and placements experience, whatever I have done, what I have observed, when a student is coming to learn any course, mostly we are dealing with the data side, data engineering courses, especially Azure Data Engineering course. What I have observed over here, there are like a four different kind of category of the students are there. So let's for example take the first category. These people are like a passed out year, their graduation or post graduation, passed out year 2010-22 in between, and they got IT job as a fresher once they passed out. For example, in 2017, I have completed my Bachelor of Engineering. After that Bachelor of Engineering, immediately I got a placement as a IT fresher. So from that day onwards, so far I work for the Java, .NET testing or any technologies. I got almost 7 or 8 years or 10 years of experience so far. But now I want to switch my career from the legacy technologies like a Java, .NET testing or whatever it is. It might be Salesforce, it might be a testing, or it might be a SAP modules, whatever it is. Now I want to learn a demanding technology in the market Most probably it is a Azure Data Engineering. So when he is going to apply for the jobs after completion of this Azure Data Engineering, he is not going to apply like a fresher. Whatever the previous experience he has, whatever 7 years or 10 years, he has to keep some 2 to 4 years of experience on this Azure Data Engineering. Remaining experience he will keep as it is. So definitely after completion of the Azure Data Engineering course, he is going to apply for a job like a experienced guy, right? The second person, second category, he is also passed out in 2010 or 22 in between his post graduation or graduation, but immediately he got a job in non IT, not in the IT. So non IT means like a US recruiter, customer care accountant, Google Maps, network admin, teacher, faculty, civil, mechanical, manufacturing, whatever it is. But still he is working for 7 years on this non IT. His package is just 7 lakhs only because of the non IT very less packages. Now he wants to switch to IT. From non IT to IT, he want to change his career. The moment when he wants to change his career from non IT to IT, he is going to learn this demanding technology of Azure Data Engineering. After he is learning, uh, he is not going to apply for the job like a fresher. Definitely, whatever the non IT experience he is going to convert that into a IT experience. He is going to apply for the jobs like a 2 to 4 years of experience. And now coming to the third category. The third category people, they also passed out in between this range, but they were not doing any job, no IT, no non IT. They're just doing like a business or preparing for a government exams, like a civils groups, banks, whatever it is. They're not doing any job over here. They're just doing a business. So that means they have a career gap. They have some career gap over here. They have some career gap over here. Like they have 2 to 5 years of or 4 years or 10 years of career gap. Even though these people are going to apply for the jobs after learning this course, Azure Data Engineering, as a experienced by keeping some experience. This is the third category. Now coming to the fourth category, they are recently passed out, 2023-24 passed out. They have just 0 years of experience, like a trained freshers. Only these people can apply for the jobs like a trained freshers. Apart from this fourth category, the people who belongs to the category one, two, three, and there is another category, the people who already worked in IT or non-IT, but now they have some gap. They were not working. Any category, definitely after learning Azure Data Engineering course, they are going to apply for the positions as a experienced profile, like minimum 2 years, maximum 5 years of experience. In between range, they are going to apply for the jobs. I just want to understand the people who joined in this demo session. You just try to identify you belongs to which category. If you belongs to category 1, ping 1. Category 2, 3, 4. So can you please ping me the category number you belongs to 1, 2, 3, or 4? 1, 1, 3, 2, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 1, 1. Okay, so definitely you can see 99% of the people all are belongs to the category 1, 2, 3 only. That means definitely you are going to keep some experience. You are going to applying for a experienced jobs over here. Definitely you are going to applying for a Experienced jobs only over here. Definitely we're going to applying for a jobs only, experienced jobs only here. So whatever the experienced jobs we are going to apply over here, all these people, the students, for example, there are out of 100 students, out of 100 students, only 10 percentage of the people only getting the jobs. Yes, that's true actually. Why this is happening? The remaining 90 percentage of the people are not getting the jobs. So as per my observation, there is no clear roadmap from the institutions to get the job. Many institutions they are just offering a regular pattern training. They're just offering regular pattern training like a 60 hours duration, daily 1 hour session. They are going to deliver some content, whatever they want to deliver. So is that enough for all of you as experienced positions? If you're learning only that part, is it help you to get the job? That is like a program one. That is every institution is offering nowadays. If you go to every institution, they're having this program one. What is that program one? It's Azure Data Engineering regular training, 2 months program, daily 1 hour, start Monday to Friday. So they will give you certain course content. What are all the services they are going to cover, like Azure Introduction, Azure Storage Account and Data Lake, Azure SQL Database, Synapse Analytics, Azure Data Factory, Azure Data Bricks with the PySpark, Azure Admin like Logic Apps, Azure Functions, Azure Key Vaults, Azure Live Streaming Analytics, DevOps CI/CD pipelines, DevOps Git Repo, and Power BI. Yes, we are also covering the same content. We are also covering the same content what every institution is going to offer over here. The program on Azure Data Engineering Training. We are covering more than that people, more than the other institutions. The content we are going to cover, you can able to see the full course content over here. The detailed course content, how much time we are spending for each service. Azure Storage Accounts, Data Lake, Azure SQL, Synapse, Data Factory, Databricks with the PySpark, Spark SQL. 20 hours we are going to spend Azure Data Factory, 20 hours Logic Apps, Data Active Directory, DevOps CI/CD pipelines, Azure Admin Security, Power BI. These are all the things we are going to cover. You can see the course content in detail over here as well. This is the detailed core content. The data warehousing concepts also we are going to cover because these are very important. Synapse dedicated SQL pool, data factory, and what are the different activities we are covering, and different kind of transformations they are covering, and there are different kind of scenario based things also we are going to cover it over here. These are the implementation data bricks and the implementation. What are all the transformations? Spark SQL, and these are all the scenarios we are going to cover here. Synapse Analytics, Power BI. These are all the things we are covering. Apart from these things, okay. Apart from these things, we are doing one more program. Why we are doing one more program? So as a part of the program, we are teaching all this content. It's a 2 months training. If you go to any institution, this kind of program you can see everywhere. With only this program one, out of 100, only 10 percentage of the people only getting the jobs. What might be the reason? The reason is because of the reason is because of you are going to apply like a experienced guy. You are going to apply like experienced guy. So when you are going to apply for the experienced position. When you are going to apply like experienced position, then what will happen? You have to crack the interview. You have to work in real projects without taking anyone help. So for this, to achieve these two things, definitely you need some more train up. You need more skills to be improved. Because within these 2 months, whatever the scenarios we are going to cover, how you are going to make a competition with the real-time employee. There are some real-time employees who are working in IT on this Azure Data Engineering. How you are going to give a competition with them? So to make you competition with the real-time employee who is working with 4+ years of experience guy already in the industry, we have designed a second program. The second program is real-time program. Another 30 more hours I'm going to teach for you. Another 30 more hours. Of course, in these 30 hours, I'm not going to teach. You are going to teach to me. That we are going to conduct on the weekends. Saturday and Sunday, we are going to make this program two parallelly. Program one on weekdays, program two on weekends. It's going to be 30 hours. What is the main vision of this program two? A real time program. The program two is a real time program. At the e-classes are designed to empower you with you the skills needed to crack the interviews as a experienced guy and gain the practical experience equivalent to the IT professionals with 4 years of industry experience. With this program too, we are going to enhancing your skill and experience up to 4 years of experience, industry experience guy. Okay, how can you get this one? When you are joining to any company, I hope all of you are few people are already working. There you have an agile methodology, correct? Any project can be divided into agile methodology. Similarly, this 2 months course, whatever you are going to learn, I'm going to divide like a agile methodology and I'm going to create like a sprints. In that sprints, the 15 or 10 to 15 sprints, we have a different tasks available, scenario based tasks in each sprint. Almost 170 tasks we are going to create for you. You need to work on the sprint wise. Sprint 1, sprint 2, sprint 3, sprint 4. Let me show you that sprint document over here. You need to work on that sprint over here. See, for example, apart from the training, whatever we are covering, we are creating some sprints for you to work on the real time scenarios. These are all the scenarios I have created for you. Almost 176 scenario based tasks I have created. Apart from the regular training, what the scenarios we are covering over there, we are adding few more scenarios here. So every week, Monday to Friday, you need to practice on the sprint one. Let's, for example, in this week, Monday to Friday, you need to work on the sprint. Total how many tasks? 13 tasks are there. Monday to Friday, you need to work on these tasks and you need to update the status of the task done. Then Saturday, we are going to connecting with you and what the things you have done. It's a kind of a discussion is going to be happening over here. How in your real time projects when you are working, they are going to give you a task and what kind of discussion will happening over there. It's a stand up call, status call. So in the Saturday I'm going to discussing with you the task whatever you have done, how you have done, any improvements, any pending, any doubts. Mostly I'm going to learn from your end how you did a approach of to do these tasks. This will improve your thinking and gaining the knowledge, expanding your knowledge on the Azure data engineering. And Sunday, I'm going to discussing about real time, how in real world the data engineer is going to work, and different kind of issues we are going to discuss with the different people will join in this, and they will share their thoughts, their ideas. It's a kind of a team collaboration will be happening over there. So by the end of completion of these sprints, you will get a full confidence on the tasks, on the course. In any scenario you can able to handle without without any doubts. And also I'm going to make you one real world project end to end you need to perform. Then I will help you to prepare a resume. Yes, as per your profile we are going to design person to person, the profile needs to be designed separately. And also we are going to conduct some mock interviews as well. With this mock interviews, definitely you will it will help you, instead of wasting of your attempts directly in the live interview. If you are attending the mock interview over here, then that will help you. You will lose your fear, and you will understand what you need to prepare, what you need to improve, what are all the areas. And also we are going to make a projects in your resume, what projects you need to keep, and what is your how to prepare the resume, how to tell the introduction, everything we are going to make it over here. And what are all the important interview question answers, everything we are going to help to. Because of this program too, 90% of the success rate over here. 90% of the people got succeeded. If you want to take only program one, yes, your wish. If you want the program two also, yes. But I will recommend always, please take the program one and program two. We are conducting this to be separated means like it's a choice to the customer, to the student. If you want only program one, yes, go ahead. If you want only program two, yes, go ahead. In the program one we are just offering like 20,000 is the price. The regular training in any institute you can go, this is there. This we are charging 20,000. The program two, the program two is a real time program, we are charging 15,000. Total 35,000. But if anybody enrolling for the both programs, we are offering just for 25,000. 25,000 only we are offering. Program 1, 2,000, just 20,000. Program 2, 15,000. Total price 35,000. But if you are opting for both programs, within 25,000 you are getting the program 1 and program 2. Almost it's going to be 100 hours. 100 hours. Before joining to any institution, you just compare what kind of uh, confidence levels we are building through our roadmap, how many hours they are going to spend for you, what is the worth. See, if you're just learning a course, then if you don't have idea about how to attend the interviews, how to prepare the resume, no mock interviews, then it's wasting a lot of time for you. So make sure, are they offering the program 2 or not. If they are offering the program 2 also, just check with the content what they are going to cover over there. Okay, what is the prerequisites to learn this course? Do we have any prerequisite this one? Nothing. We just have basic knowledge of the database. That is fair enough. That is fair enough. But one thing I can say, anyone who wants to enter into IT industry, or who wants to enter into data side, there are two things you should know. One is SQL, another one is Python. Just basics. If you want to learn some basic to advanced level, yes, I'm offering 20 hours live sessions just for 299 rupees. Value of the course is 7,000 rupees, but we are just giving 20 hours live SQL Server training 299 rupees only. Python, it's going to be 25 hours live sessions. Just we are going to offer 599 rupees only. This is a 7,000 rupees course. And every day the class recording also will be shared, even if you are not able to join the live sessions. So you can take these two courses, just skill up. This will help you a lot when you are going to work on the data side. Is it mandatory? Not mandatory. But I'm suggesting to take SQL and Python also. Whatever the crash courses we are going to offer for you with the in detail from basic to advanced level, I'm going to teach for this SQL and Python as well. If you have these two skills, you are eligible to learn 30 plus courses in the IT, especially data side. 30 plus courses you can able to learn easily. So just imagine, just for 25,000 rupees plus this one almost 26,000 rupees, we are going to almost serving 150 hours duration. 150 hours duration. Just check with the institution before you are going to join anywhere. Are they going to offer this much content, these many technologies, these many services, end to end help? End to end help means in every aspect. If you're just completing the training, it will not help you to crack the interview. So there should be a clear roadmap from basic to landing to the job. So that's what I have designed everything over here. What I have designed everything with my 7 to 8 years of trainings and placement experience. Okay, so this is our from e-classes to make you to land in you into the job. What are all the roadmap we prepared? Now coming to the technology. So the technology what we are going to discuss it here is a Azure Data Engineering. So whenever you are going to learn any kind of courses related to data side, there are primarily three type of courses we have. One is a data engineering course, the second one is a data analyst course, and the next one is a data scientist course. These are the three courses we have over here: data engineer, data analyst, and data scientist. Very popular courses in the market currently, because of the importance of the data is increasing day by day, day by day, day by day. So as a data engineer, what he will do? Let's take one use case scenario over here. I have a supermarkets are running. So this is one supermarket. This is another supermarket. In every supermarket, you can see there is a billing counters. So as a part of this, customers will goes to the billing counters. They will buy the product. They will buy the product, right? So one supermarket is located in Hyderabad, means in India. Another supermarkets are located in US, India and US. So every day when there is customers are buying the products, the transaction details will be coming and saving in the backend database. Every day those are coming to the backend databases or some storage systems. This is happening everywhere. This is happening everywhere. Correct? Yes. Everywhere it is happening. You can go to supermarket, medical shop, or any bank or anywhere. There is one applications. Customers will come doing a transaction. The transaction data will be saved here. So as a business owner, definitely I want to understand the few things. What are the things you want to understand about my business? Some key insights I want to understand to take a better decision making, like a top 10 products with the highest sales, bottom 10 products with the lowest sales. Okay, top 10 products with highest sales, bottom 10 products with lowest sales over here. Top 10 products with highest sales, bottom 10 products with lowest sales. According to that, I will understand which products I need to maintain more stock, which products I need to maintain less stock. So how this information will get based on the customer sales data. So to get this customer sales data, currently the data is in a different locations. First you need to bring that data into one location. So nowadays every company, they are storing their data in the cloud environment. What do you mean by cloud? Cloud means instead of storing your data in your local servers, a server located far away remotely somewhere managed by a company like Microsoft Azure or a Google GCP or AWS. These are the three companies offering this cloud cloud services. So whatever the data I have in my business servers, what I am going to do, I am going to transforming, doing the ETL process. I am going to do the ETL process. Who will do this ETL process? Data engineer. What is a ETL? Extracting the business data, applying the transformations, finally loading the data into target. This is called ETL. Who will do this process? This process will be done by data engineer. So a data engineer role is doing the ETL process, extraction, transformation, and loading of the data into your target. ETL process, extraction, transformation, loading of the data, ETL process. So as a part of this data engineering, as a part of this data engineering, processing means ETL of the business data and the storing of the business data. To do this, you need some storages, you need some ETL services. So I'm going to use completely the services to do the ETL and storage from the Microsoft Azure Cloud is offering some services. What are the ETL services it is offering currently inside the Microsoft Azure Cloud? Those are Data Factory, Databricks, and live streaming analytics, live streaming analytics data, and Synapse Analytics. These tools we can use to perform the ETL process. And for storing of the data, we have a blob storage, we have a data lake, we have a Azure SQL DB, we have a Synapse dedicated SQL pool. These are all the services we have. These two services we are using to store the data in a files. For example, your data is a Excel file, CSV file, text file, or a image, audio, video. Then you can use the blob or data lake. If it is a database tables, then go ahead with the Azure SQL DB or Synapse dedicated SQL pool, all those things. If you want to store your data in terms of the database and the tables. And when you want to do the ETL process without writing any commands, just drag and drop, just drag and drop, go ahead with the data factory. Whenever you want to do some kind of commands, it's not a program. If you want to write down PySpark commands or SQL commands, you can use the Databricks. I'm going to teach you in this Azure Data Engineering course basics of Python along with the PySpark. PySpark also is more or similar like a Python. It is one of the small library in the PySpark. It is more easy. Only commands I'm going to write down, not the programming. Live streaming means you are going to streaming of the data, live data. Synapse Analytics is nothing but a same whatever the combination of data factory data bricks will be available inside this one. So this is how these are all the services I'm going to discuss inside this training as a data engineer. So once the data engineer is processing of the data and storing into the here, then as a data analyst, what he will do, he will take the processed data and designing of the reports and dashboards by using a Power BI over here. By using Power BI. So we are going to use the Power BI to designing of the reports and dashboards. This person we are calling it as a data analyst. This person we are calling it as a data analyst. So in this course I'm going to cover few sessions for the Power BI as well, one or two sessions for Power BI. So apart from the storage, ETL and Power BI, I'm going to cover some admin tasks like a logic app services, key vaults, and also we are going to cover about the Azure DevOps, CI/CD pipeline deployments. These are all the things I'm going to cover over here. So once you are completing this training, what is the certification exam you need to write down? DP203 is the certification exam. This is also we are going to cover. So what is the trending of the market for the data engineering? I'm telling honestly, comparing to any other technologies, Azure data engineering is very very high demand. Even many people from the US, UK, Canada, Australia also who got laid off from other technologies, their jobs, they are learning Azure data engineering. Their consultancies are so suggesting them please learn the Azure data engineering because of the number of positions. And an average in India with a 4 years of experience guy, they are offering 12 to 15 lakhs of the package. Average 12 to 15 lakhs of the package they are going to get it for the Azure data engineering course. Okay, so this entire program is going to be completed in between 2 to 3 months of the duration. The program 1 and program 2 both will be done parallelly. Program 1 is in the weekdays, program 2 in the weekends over here. So every day the class recording video will be shared. Daily class notes also we are going to be shared. Okay, so this is all about this course content and the curriculum what we are going to offer for you. Then if you guys have any questions, then go ahead with questions and I will help you on that one. Okay, so this brochure I will ping you here. I think our team will share. So to get this brochure and course details and everything, so please reach out this number. Please reach out this number. So the regular sessions we are going to start from Monday onwards. So the timings and everything our executive will call to you. Our executive number 7997 457 228. Her name is Ramya. If anybody wants to speak with me personally, please call to this number after 12:30. I will speak with you one on one as well. And also if you are filling this form, then directly we will call back to you and I will discuss with one on one. So that's what like I'm expecting everyone to be fill this form. I'm pinging this form again in our go to meeting chat. All of you can you please fill this form. Fill this form over here. Yes, every day we will share the class recording video once it is completed. Okay, please fill the form if anybody not yet done. Now go ahead your questions. So total this program 1 is 60 hours, 60 classes. Program 2 is 30 classes will be taken. Program 1 is a regular training. Program 2 is a real time program. Yeah, go ahead the question, Navya. You can unmute and you can speak.
So hi. So basically, I'm from a testing background. Okay. So
Okay.
as per your overview, as of now, you mentioned we have to learn SQL as well as Python, right?
Basic
So
knowledge.
how important is Python in this course?
Nowadays, Python is everywhere. When you are going to work on a data, Python is very important for everyone, whether you are using or not. And here, I'm not going you to learn Python everything. I just wanted to learn Python basics at least. Okay, it's
Okay.
like
So I'll be very frank. I
yeah,
have zero knowledge on SQL as well as Python.
no problem.
So what do you suggest? So you know better, right? So do you want me to take SQL as well as Python first, then come back to this course, or
No,
how
no,
it
not
works?
like that. Not like that. There is no dependency on this one.
Mm-hmm.
If you know only SQL, if you know Python, then only you can learn Azure Data Engineering. Not like that. The scope of this SQL Python is only 10 percentage.
Okay.
When you are going to interview, I don't want you lose
Mm-hmm.
because of that 10 percentage your job with your competitors. That's why I'm requesting all of you brush up this Python and SQL. It's just a brush up. You don't need to be a
Okay.
expert.
Mm-hmm. Okay. I think that's all.
Yeah, thank you. Any more questions from others, guys?
Hi,
Hi.
I am currently working as a Power BI analyst, okay,
Okay.
in L&T.
Hmm.
Uh, so how? So I want to learn Microsoft Fabric actually.
Okay.
Okay. So if I learn this Azure Data Engineering, is this will help to uh, learn Microsoft Fabric also?
Yes, for Power BI developers, yes, we will recommend Microsoft Fabric. That demo we have, so you can go ahead and join the next within 5 minutes. Did you fill the form?
Okay. This form, yeah, I filled.
Okay. Yeah. We will share the link to your WhatsApp mobile number. You can join over there. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you.
Sure. Thank you.
Any more questions from others? Sumant, do you have any question?
Yeah, basically, I wanted to check about the Python and SQL basics. Right, when will that be conducted, and will it be
That I will
will it take place
start.
parallelly?
Yeah, that I will start after starting of this Azure Data Engineering course, somewhere after 1 week.
Okay, okay. So that will take place parallelly, right, along with this
Yes,
course,
that's
main
like
course.
either you can join live session, or if you are not able to join the live session, you can watch the recording video. We will share the recording video as well daily.
Sure, sure, sure. Yeah, thank you. And about the DP 203 certification, just to get an overview, there'll be charges that we need to pay Microsoft to attend the test, I believe, right?
Yes,
So,
definitely there is some
uh,
exam fees is there. You can pay and
correct. So that will be able to take after finishing the program and gaining the required knowledge, and will also be
yes.
helping with the test preparation part, right, for the certification
With
test. Yeah.
this course, if you are completing, you are able to crack. If you don't want to take the risk, then there is some help will be taken care by our team will provide some help. Okay, they are
Okay.
just
Okay.
charging little bit amount for that one.
Understood. Understood. Thank you. Thank you.